Kurumjari Times of Manipur News meeting tabir basing mungangom priyana taranok chabagaloina na pau sandok no pijari. Ngaseyu Kuki lalhonglup KNA B UKLF na ching basing na More Hospital lambi kanan veng amadi chawang faida chatharakiba ambusta Manipur Police Commando Mari BSF personnel ahum asopa ng kray. Asopa Police Commando Mari amadi BSF ki personnel ama punna personnel mga airlift tawduna More dagi imfal da pura kray. Praise na pangbabaw magi matungin nga ngaseyu pung nipan makhay taramday adwaida Manipur Police Commando BSF IRB MR Special Commando Unit ki combined team sing na More Hospital lambi kanan veng amadi chawang faida search operation chathanaba changsilubada khanghaudana kukil lalhoba sing na bomb amadi nongmai yauna attack adu chatharakibani hairi thaudok adu da soklaba commando personnel mari adude yaripok top tagi maibam thoiba apokpa maibam rabi chahi kuntragani thoi Kodompopi mayai lekai dagi chabungbam herojit apokpa chabungbam biren chahi kuntragani pan Imphal West District ki ragailong dagi kamai Gai Hemlong apokpa lekidraba majapau chahi nifu amadi luang sangbam dagi mangsatabam Prem Kumar apokpa mangsatabam Tolen chahi kuntraga mangani hairi Makhoi mari mag Imphal da airlift tawduna puraklaba matung rims da makhatana layang chathanaba admit tawkre hairi BSF ke personnel ahum asigi marakta khara hena sokpadagi Imphal da purakraba personnel aduna Rajasthan dagi chamaga marifutarani thoi suba BSF More da laiba head constable Rabindra Singh Kawi hairi mahaksu makhataba layang chathanaba rims da pukhalakre hairi atopa BSF personnel ani adugi fibam kudong thiningai oidabadagi Assam Rifles ki hospital da first aid piraba matung puthakre hairi maragasida nongmai kapna baduda yaubani haiba kuki lalhobani security force na fare hairi amarom da thazaba yaba paugi likuna magi matungina nongmai kapna baduda kuki singi maikaida asopan asina kaya yauramba yai hairi maragasida hauzik su nakalani gi marakta kan mamongda nongmai kapna di haina pawasina makhatari amarom da More dagi Imphal da airlift tawduna purakraba hauzik na Rims Hospital da layang liba security personnel singi fibam ngasi chief minister na yengsen kray security personnel di fibam yengba lakpaduda chief minister N Biren na paumi sing da hai More da tholiba thodok asi yamna laibak thiba thodok ni Kuki KHULAI PAIBA sing na Sijinnariba KHULAI sing asi yamna sophisticated Oiba Khutlai ni haiba si khangle chathariba THOUONG asi LEINGAK na HAKCHINNA lawi attack asida MYANMAR dagi foreign missionary YAOBAGI CHINGNABA lei ASIGUMBA THOUONG asigi MATANGDA CHAP action Loukhatkani HAINA chief minister na makhata ki
Hello, tu ni mo ra fan nei le. Head Hello, bro. Head
Umpi kat dai te terrorist Sijinnariba sophisticated weapons even we have seen some of the videos leaked from the militants terrorist group sophisticated weapons in the where the government where with the central forces and the SS forces we are countering them. And now search operation and a pumping operation is widely going on. Reinforcement has been sent, and we are having some doubt of involvement of foreign mercenary from the Myanmar side. And it is our commitment to the people of the state and the people of the India. We will not succumb to this kind of threat and pressure. We will take necessary possible measures to counter such terrorists.